Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Keurig coffee machines you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Keurig coffee machines and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Keurig coffee machines so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a Keurig coffee machine. First, think about the size and capacity. Some models brew single cups, while others can make multiple servings or even carafes. Next, consider the brewing speed and temperature control, as these affect flavor and convenience. Also, check if the machine supports reusable K-cups to save money and reduce waste. Look for features like strength control, auto shut-off, and programmable settings for easier use. Don't forget to check the water reservoir size and ease of cleaning, as both matter for daily use. Finally, compare prices, warranty, and customer reviews to ensure good value and reliability. Choosing the right Keurig depends on your coffee habits and kitchen space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews.